Right, we are here, we are here, we are here. Oh god, I got so much crap. Wow, I got way too much stuff on my bag. Probably not, because there's no shade around here. Hey, look at this. Right, where do you want to sit? Right, we're in the field. It's a nice day again. I need to bump up my expo, I reckon. I feel like it's not smooth enough for centre stick, so I'm going to try that, and then we'll see how that goes. But yeah, look at this. Pretty much got the whole field to myself. Right, anyways, let's get everything set up and let's do this. Big bag of lipos today. Right, which one am I looking for? That's PIDs. Yeah, there it is. So Expo's at 23 right now. So I'll probably bump it up to 26 on each one. And we'll see what that does. Right, let's go try this. No, I reckon it's because I'm connected to my GoPro using the... yeah, that feels alright. Yeah, this is feeling good. I have a feeling I'm getting bad signal here because my GoPro is running off the 5.8 gigahertz frequency, which I'm connected to my phone on at the moment, so I reckon that's what it is. Yeah, it's definitely, but when I need it, it's still snappy. So that extra 3 points definitely has made a difference. Yeah. I am liking this now. Those extra 3 points really made a difference. Yeah, that was alright. It's good enough as it is at the moment. If I come up with anything else, I'll put some more video in, but at the moment I'm just going to fly for a bit and yeah, enjoy.